Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Honey and I'm so happy to have you guys back. Yes, welcome back to my channel, guys. It has been forever. Oh my gosh, I feel like I have been missing you guys so much, and I feel like I've been leaving you guys out on so many things that's been happening in my life, but your girl has been so busy. I had to take a break from YouTube for just a quick minute because you guys know the vibes. Y'all know I go to school. I can't stress this enough. I go to school, I am a mom, I work full-time. It's like I'm superwoman over here, so everything is just like crashing down on me right now, but I have to give you guys a video. It's a must. It's a have to. It's what? So as you guys see from the title, this is a merch video. So a company reached out to me by the name of Pollyeye Contacts, and they were so kind enough to ask me to collaborate with them. What they did, they sent me a link so I could check out their website, check out their Instagram page, and it's so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. And they gave me the comfortability of choosing some contacts so I could review. So they didn't just send me any old contacts. They asked me to choose the ones that I liked, and they sent them to me. So I am here to show you guys what this company is working with, and they are bringing fire, baby, fire, period. Inside was this beautiful box, you guys. This gorgeous purple box with the brand name on there, Pollyeye, as you can see. And yeah, this is what everything came in. It is so beautiful. Like I said, the company is called Pollyeye.com, and I'm gonna show you guys what they sent in this box. All right guys, so opening the box, basically you see that it says the logo Pollyeye, and it's just like a little sleeve box that you just, you know, like a gift box, you just open up. It's holographic. It's so cute. I feel like I'm gonna use it to keep stuff in. But what they did send to me, they sent me quite a few stuff. So like I said, I did get to pick 4 contact lenses from their site. All are so dope. Like I wish I could have picked all of them, but they're so beautiful. But I did get a chance to choose 4. Obviously the contacts come in these little boxes. It's so cute, their packaging. I feel like the holographic is so super cute. So yes, it says the contact name at the top, actually at the top, and it just carries the contacts. If you guys wear contacts, or whoever wear contacts, I feel like the video is close up. It's too close up. Is it too close up? I feel like it's too close up. But yeah, back to what I was saying. If anybody wears contacts, because I do wear prescripted and fashion contacts because I'm a little bit blind, but if anybody wears contacts, they do know that, well, this one actually was the first time I saw contacts coming in vial like these. You know these vials? They look like injection bottles, like the vaccine bottles. I think it's so cute. But this actually was the only one that came with the vaccine looking bottles. But you guys know that contacts come in that little patch with the saline inside, and it's just like 2 separate pieces. So that's how they came pretty much. So I received 4 boxes of these in the kit. I also received these little cases. So I'm going to show you guys one. I got 4 of them for each individual contacts. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I did get 4 of these for each individual contacts. They are so cute, super cute. So inside, I kind of went with like the colors to the contacts to put them in the cases, but inside it basically comes with, I'm going to show you guys right now, it comes with the contact holder. So the contact holder, it comes with some tongs to pick the contacts up, and this little suction to put the contact on and place it into your eye. It comes with a little mirror to the top so you can see what you're doing. I think it's so cute, you guys. It's so innovative. It's so cute, and you could just do everything on the go. Just bring your case with you in case you want to take them out, pop them in. However, if you're spending the night at some guy's house, ladies, you know what I'm talking about, you could just pop these in and pop them out, and you're good to go. So like I said, I got 4 cases. I got a blue, a white, a yellow, and a pink. pink. All cases to go with my contacts. And like I told you guys, I got the 4 boxes of contact lenses. Then I received this little sticker type thing. I think they're like tattoos. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I probably will give them to my son, but I think they were cute to send these little sticker tattoo things. In the packaging, they also send this little satchel with a necklace. I think they're so cute. Aren't they so cute? Pollyeye come through. They're so cute. So they sent this little necklace, and it's just like a little diamond with a horseshoe at the bottom, and the horseshoe says good luck. So cute. You know, lucky horseshoes. So cute. I will definitely be wearing this. So this was a plus in the parcel. I think it was really cute that they included that. Also, they included like a little pack of shimmer. I guess it's like makeup shimmer, or you know, it's just like a little pack of glitter. I feel like I don't know if it's makeup glitter or just regular glitter, but I do nails from home, so I'm going to be using this in some acrylic. So thank you for this. This is gonna add to my collection. I don't know if it's supposed to be used on the eyes or whatever, but they're all the same thing. So I feel like, yeah, but thank you for this addition. And the last thing that came in was this little kitty cat. I have no idea what this does. I have no clue. I was like lost. It's just a cat playing the piano. I don't know what it's for, but thank you. It's so cute, but I don't know what it's for. So yeah, so we're gonna jump into the contacts and the colors that I chose. So yeah. Alright guys, so the 4 contact lenses that I chose the anti-blue-ray contact lens, the Sea Honey contact lens, the Polar Lights Golden, and the Polar Light 2 Gray. So it's basically like a golden color, a gray color, a blue, and a honey color. And they're all like so beautiful. I think they're so beautiful. So if you do wear contacts, you do know that when you get your package, the contacts do come in saline. Saline is not good for the eye. So you have, like, I took all my contacts out of the boxes already. I rinsed my containers out with contact solution, and I rinsed off my contacts. Then I placed them into my container with contact solution. So please guys, if you have been using, like, getting contacts and pouring the contacts and contact solution into your container, that is not good for your eye. You do need a contact solution to rinse your contacts off, because saline is not good for your eyes. So just a little tip, just a little tip. So yeah, let's get into the contacts, guys. This is what the video is about, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I did color coordinate my contacts with my cases like I told you before, just to make it easier on me, because I did take them out of the box, so I didn't want to confuse myself. So I just kind of matched the contacts to the cases so it'll be easier. So the first one that I'm going to be reviewing, I'm pretty much going to review one. I'm going to tell you how it feels in the eye, how it looks in the eye, how to apply it to the eye, and what color it is. And then I'm just gonna apply all the rest on camera so you can see how they look, and you guys can let me know what you think in the comment section below. So we're gonna jump into the contacts, and the first contacts and how to apply and how it looks. So keep watching. First contacts is called Polar Light Gray. It did come in this little box in the 2 containers as I mentioned, and I did put everything in here. So pretty much, I'm gonna come in close, you guys, so you guys can see how the gray contacts look. They are beautiful. So guys, so this is how the gray contacts look inside the container. They are so beautiful. I think they're so gorgeous, super gorgeous. So yeah, like I said, I rinsed them off and I put them inside of the container. So now I'm just gonna apply it, and like I told you, everything came in the container. This tongs is what you use to take the contacts out of the container. This one is what you use to put the contacts in. So I'm gonna be doing that right now and showing you guys how that looks on the eye. Okay guys, so I do have a mirror in front of me for this step. Some people get weirded out when you touch inside of your eye, but I did open the contacts, and this is the tongue as I mentioned. So I'm gonna take the contacts out of the solution. Here it is. You guys probably can't see it on camera, but it is on the tongue. Then what I'm gonna do on the little section that I told you, I'm just gonna place the contacts face up so it just holds up like so. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see it, but yeah, that's how it's holding up. And then I'm gonna place this into my eye. Alright guys, so the contacts is in. That was tedious. When I first put them in, because I did try them on before, it was a little bit easier, and that's because I had no eyelashes on. I did put on makeup for this, and I did put lashes on my eyes, which I shouldn't have done, but I did film another video with this makeup look. So that is why the lashes is on. So I'm gonna come in close so you guys can see how the contact look on my eye, and then you see my regular eye, and I'll show you guys how that is. Alright guys, do you see how beautiful that is? I mean, on camera this looks like blue. It's giving me like a blue vibe, but it is gray, and it's so beautiful. I feel like it covers the eyes so perfect. It's so beautiful. I mean, look at it, look at it. So I'm gonna put in the other one so you guys can see how both of them look in my eyes, and I think they're so gorgeous. Alright guys, so both contacts are in. My eyes did get a little bit watery on my left eye because obviously the lashes, and then I'm putting something foreign into my eye, so my eye will water a bit and it will get red, but I'm going to zoom in to show you guys how both of them look and explain to you how they feel on the eye. Alright guys, so this is how both contacts look on the eye. They're so beautiful. Like, I'm super obsessed with these contacts. They just glide over my pupils and they cover them so beautifully. Like, who would have thunk it? Like, so beautiful. I think they're so gorgeous. They're very comfortable on the eye. Like, I don't feel any weirdness. You know, sometimes you get discomfort from wearing contacts. It feels like nothing is there. It is absolutely amazing to me because when I do wear my prescriptive contacts, they do get a little bit irritating, and these are like, you pop them in and it's like nothing is there. I don't feel a drying effect, because sometimes you feel a drying effect to contacts, but these are so beautiful, you guys, and I just love them. So these are called the Polar Lights 2 gray, and they're just super beautiful. So now that you guys got an idea of how the contacts feel, how I apply them, I'm just gonna show you guys the rest of the contacts, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys like what you see, check down in my description box. I will have a discount code listed down below so you could get a discount off of these beautiful contacts. Check out Pollyeye.com. Check out their website, check out their Instagram page. Everything will be linked down below because they are super amazing. Please guys, you have to check them out. If you're into contacts and cosmetic contacts, prescripted, if you want them prescripted, it's super beautiful. It's affordable. So, and with my discount code, you get to save a little bit of money. So check it out down below in the description bar. If you are new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. For my old subscribers, I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for sticking with me, rocking out through my inconsistencies, because I know I haven't been consistent lately and it's just been so wild for me. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy the rest of the video and how these contacts look. I'm going to be listing the names across on the screen so you guys can see who they are and check them out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.